What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, and this is going to be another haul video for the month of March. Let's get into it, and yeah, I hope you all having a great day. So let's start over here with Matchbox. Now this is the Mercedes-Benz Champions first female touring car. There's her name. I'm not gonna bother pronouncing it, but very cool, very beautiful Mercedes-Benz 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 C SE sedan. Very cool. All right, so that's that one. Next one, Matchbox. There it is. This is a International Workstar brush fire truck. Very cool, from the MBX Mountain. It's a very cool Jeep. I think it's a Jeep. It looks like a Jeep. Next one in these boxes, the Matchbox box, 75 Chevy Caprice. Now also, I got two of these, and I gave one to my dad. It looks very cool. Then next Matchbox, carded. Look at that. That's a nice truck. Got the headlights on. This is a Nissan Titan Warrior concept. Very cool. That's even the little step there. You see it? Cool. And then we got this Lambo. Look at that. This police Lambo. Lamborghini Gallardo Police. Gallardo Police. That's what. And then you got these four open moving parts. These are from the new line, with the new card and everything. And there you go, open parts, abierto, open, abierto, aberto, rear. Now this is a beaut. This is a real nice car. This is a 36 Ford sedan custom. Look at that. It's pretty dope. Pretty cool. So pick that up. I was hoping I could find the Lamborghini, I think it is. There's a picture. This Porsche. It's 80 Porsche 911 Turbo. Look at that. That's a nice color. Red. You got the logo on the front. Got the back. Porsche there. And you get the spoiler in black and the trunk in black. It's pretty cool. Next one. Now this is a nice truck right here. You got the. Do you have the logo? I can't really tell. But this is pretty cool. Got that on the door. The Skyjacker. It's a brand we've been seeing often in Matchbox. 19 Ford Ranger. This is a lot. People are picking this one up. You can see why, because it's a pretty cool truck. And you got this 2018 Range Rover Vogue SE in black. Beautiful car, beautiful. No complaints. This one's awesome. Like I said, I've been wanting to pick up the Lambo. That's the one I wanted to find, but didn't see it. All right, so let's go from left to right. Right here, we got this Jada Nano Hollywood Rides, and you already know who this character is, Harry Potter. Now I picked this up because I'm a fan of the movies, but my wife's more of a fan of Harry Potter, and I've been buying her, small things here and there, a wand, the little action figures, the metal action figures, and this was also part of that I wanted to get. I wanted to get her this bus, the King's bus. That one looks dope. I saw it on a video, and I was like, I can't wait to find it. Even Ron's car, the Weasley's car, it's pretty cool, but I got it more for that one. 1956 Ford Anglia. Now I like these, the Mini, the Jetta. It's like the micro machines. Very cool. There's Fast and the Furious. I think there's like 2 different ones of the Fast and the Furious. There's a Batman one that I really am gonna get next time, and the Back to the Future. Back to the Future, I was gonna get them, but I saw that the details weren't all there, so I kind of got, I was like, nah, maybe not. So yeah, that one's a pretty cool piece to find. If you are a Harry Potter fan and you see this, I really recommend you getting it, even if you're not a diecast collector. This is still pretty cool to have. This piece is heavy. The whole thing is heavy. So let's continue. Let's keep going. We got over here another M2, and we have, it zoomed in too much, auto drivers, and this is limited portion. This is 4,875 pieces, so it's not rare, but there's not a lot of them. And the reason why I picked it up is because it's a cool car, man. It's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Bel Airs, you cannot go wrong. And then more with the Chevy logos on the hood, on the door, and then like that Chevy logo like slanted. That's pretty cool. Red interior. Wow, look at that. The logo on the grill, the yellow. Wow, this is a pretty nice piece. So yeah, I found this at Walmart, and I'm not sure if someone hid it because it was on top of the shelves, and that one, and also the open parts were there too. There's more of these, but I really don't need doubles, so I didn't pick them up. And yeah, so that's a really nice piece to crack open. Okay, so these I've already showed them off on the video. My dad, I think, got me the first set, and then I went to Dollar Tree and I found a second set, a full set, because I've been going to Dollar Tree to see what they have, and usually I find 2-3 cars, but not the whole set complete. I found it complete, and there's a reason why I picked up another one. I'm not gonna stay with this one, so you can imagine that. So I'm just gonna go slowly. There is the Ford GT in white. You got the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR in orange, nice. Lamborghini Hurricane LP 622 or Z Super Troft, very cool. And then we got a McLaren PI, and then Bentley Continental Super Sports. That one's a really cool car. And then last but not least is a 2014 Corvette Stingray. The Stingray is a beaut, it's a beast. So yeah, so there is the whole set. And then over here we found this was actually like a day ago, 2 days ago. I found this one. Yeah, HEB Plus. You know how hard it is to find this down here in South Texas? Really hard, man. So yeah, my brother's in up north in Montana. He has a couple of these, but there's not a lot of collectors up there, so he gets a lot of pieces before I do, or before me and my buddies do. So pretty happy that I found at least one of these. Probably gonna ask him if he can hand over another one so I can crack this one open, keep one in a card, and then have one to crack open. So yeah, I like that one. I'm pretty happy to find that one. So here, next up is the what is this? The 52 anniversary. You got, now I already have this. I already have a whole set, and then with the chase, and then I got gifted, because I didn't buy these. My dad came over and he's like, hey man, I know you. It was funny because I found them And then like the next day, I didn't tell him that I found them. The next, because I told him that I'm looking for these, and if he sees them, if he can pick them up for me. So when I found them the next day, my dad found them too, but I didn't tell him. So he picked them up thinking that I didn't have them. So, but he was missing one car. But that's fine. You know, that's fine. I picked it up so I can have the 2 sets. Maybe keep one box and the next one, maybe make a video out of it. So look out for that. Now these are cool, man. Look at this. This is a 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. You got the gasser. You got that one. The new muscle speeder. Not a big fan of that one. You got the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. You got a 32 Ford. I like that one too. This is probably one of my second favorite. The Volkswagen T2 pickup. And look at the bed. The bed has that copper color. That's really cool. So yeah, he picked these up, and for some reason, he the next day or a few days later, I told him that there was one missing. He's like, yeah, but he didn't remember when he went back to the store which one it was. So he brought me these 4, thinking that maybe one of these was the one that I was missing. And no, I was actually missing this one right there. Right there, that one, the one in the corner. So I mean, there's no harm to it. I can crack all these open too. So yeah, it's cool. Thank you for that, Jefe. And I'm gonna leave these 2 at the end because damn, those are cool. Over here, also found yesterday with the ID car, I found this Batman. I've been looking for this one. Batplane. Damn. You know, I love Batman, so I had to pick this one up as soon as I saw it online. So this is the first one I find. I'm probably gonna open that one up. Got another Batman here. I'm trying to pick all the Batmans I can get. This is a chrome with the yellow wheels and the window, so pretty cool. And then I got this one, another one. My son has one, but the oldest one has one, the youngest one doesn't, and so I'm gonna pick one up for him. This is a 67 Jeepster Commando. Look at that. And this is also the Super, but this one's not the Super. But there's the Super, so you guys gotta look out for that one. And over here we got a Jaguar XE SV Project 8 in that beautiful orange. Look at that. Got the backlights and everything detailed. Damn, this is nice. Can't go wrong with this one. I've seen it a lot, so it's not that not that looked out for, but it's always good to get that one. Now, this one I also was looking for it. I saw it twice, and for some reason I did not pick it up. But then the third time was a charm. Picked it up. I didn't notice that it has the Hot Wheel printed on the side, which I thought was really cool. So, you know, this is the second one we have. And there you go. Awesome. For $3-4, not bad. Now these two are special because I wasn't expecting to buy these at all. But you know, Thundercats, the cartoon. Yeah, so now this is unique in my opinion because for a while Hot Wheels is not like releasing a lot of these different shows or different movies or cars. They always go for the typical same ones, and it's kind of like not annoying, but you know, you want to see something different. So this is the Thundercats, the tank, the Thunder Tank. And I got buddies, one of my buddies and my brother and his brother of my buddy, they love this show. I've seen it a couple times when I was young, but not a huge fan, but I like the vehicle. The vehicle's cool. So I'm probably gonna crack this one open. And then this one, Masters of the Universe. I've also seen it. And like I said, these are like really unique cars, like for Hot Wheels to release, really something different. Cause like let's go and see the ones that are being in this set. So these are the 5 that got released with these two. Ghost Rider, that one has come out a couple times. You have the blue one, and then you have the original, the red one with the flames, the detachable flames on the bottom. But this one's a repeat. This one's also a repeat. And this one, don't tell me how many times they've released the kit car. So I'm not too much of a fan of getting these, you know. But when they release these two, that's something different. You know, you don't see those that often. So it's always the Scooby-Doo, it's always Batman, it's always the kit car. This car, I have no idea how many times. So if you really want a fan of that one, anywhere you can find it. This one as well. My dad wanted to pick it up, but once he saw it was like $5, he's like, no, I've seen that car somewhere else, and he goes for not that expensive cars. But yeah, so those two were the bomb, and I was grateful enough that I found them. Look at that. Look at that. Even the green shines a little bit. It's like that metallic green. So that's pretty cool. Like I give them props, Hot Wheels. You know, you gotta one up yourself every time you release these entertainment ones, cause yeah, you need to do something about it. There's so many shows they can get inspiration from and give us something like this. This is top notch right here. And if you don't like these cars, you might agree in my point of that Hot Wheels needs to release more different variety of entertainment vehicles. So yeah, that's gonna be my little rant for this video. And yeah, so that's, like I said, short, sweet, and to the point. And I hope you guys tune into the next video of hauls for the next month. It's gonna be different. Hopefully it works out. And I gotta go. My kid's arriving. Hello. Goodbye.